DAVAO, Mindanao, North, South, East, and West. This is Gilbert Lopez Cacho. We are now in Microtel Hotel dito sa Damosa. And as we can see, simpleng lugar lang, but then guys, try it. It's a wonderful place. It's a wonderful resting place for a traveler, and we will get inside so that we can get more information regarding the hotel. Okay, this is their entrance. Let's get in. We have also a very accommodating guard here, and thank you very much. Oh, this is the lobby. Wow, how is that?
Welcome to Microtel DAVAO.
Ano po ma-expect natin sa Microtel DAVAO?
We have rooms and function room offered here at Microtel DAVAO po. We have 14 branches here in the Philippines. Soon to have trip Samal po. So, more or less magiging 15 na kami by next 2 years po.
Can you give me the cheapest room that they can avail?
Actually, we don't have any physical tariff, but we only have 2 types of room, which is our standard room with 2 queen beds. Rate for that is depende po siya on your preferred rates. You can give us a call to check our room rates po.
Okay. Ma'am, sa ating dining, ano ba ang mga pwede nilang ma-avail din?
Actually, our room rates includes breakfast na. So, our breakfast operates 6 a.m. to 10. And we don't have any restaurant here at the hotel, but you can look outside po. Marami pong restaurant nearby. We only offer continental breakfast, and that's it, sir.
Okay. Please invite them again.
So, once again, I'll invite you to stay here at Microtel DAVAO. We are open 24/7, and you can give us a call by searching our Facebook account. That's Microtel by Mindanao.
Location po nito?
Damosa Gateway po. Dito lang sa may lalang.
Alright.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Yeah. Here we go. Okay. Stairs, no rope access. 2 down floors. And let's pass again downstairs. Wow. Microtel Hotel. 115. So 115th. Okay. Now we're going upstairs. This is it. Alright. Here we go, guys. See that? Okay. Dalawang palapag lang po ito. But napakaraming Doong dulo na yun ang inakyat natin kaya hindi tayo pumasok. Because I wanted to get inside with this is Microtel Hotel. Sa kanilang dining area po, package na po yun, that meron po tayong buffet free po for breakfast, and that's it. And there's my wife, so alright, it's the restroom for a differently abled, and also able can also use that. Alright. Ito po yung kanilang dining area. See for breakfast. Okay. It says here daily operating hours 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Please observe appropriate attire. Mostly sleepwear for men and women. Mostly shirts for wear appropriate footwear. Of course, it is exceptional because sometimes Filipinos are as casual as they are. Okay. ito, ewan ko lang. Kasi yung kwarto namin ay let's wait and see what we can do. Alright, here is our room, number 128. Of course guys, this is also an exit point. Wow. Hindi ito iilaw guys kung hindi mo ilalagay itong card na to para iilaw siya. Okay. This is our room. We have this parang sofa nila. And of course, they have their own, you know, things like that. Oh, may faucet. Meron silang ano. At ang maganda dito guys, meron silang microwave oven. Of course, ito meron silang refrigerator downstairs, no? Wow, this also. Anyway, ginagamit po namin ito. Kaya ito po ang itsura niya. Kailangan mo siyang isara kasi umiilaw kapag hindi siya okay. But here outside you can see. Alright, the Mosa land. Wow. So ito yan. This is our, hindi pa nailigpit. Anyway, this is our place. This is how, where we stay. Here at Microtel Hotel. Okay, this is the bathroom area where we can take our shower. We can dispose here. It has, may mga gamit dito pero niligpit na. Then we have this shampoo, body soap, body soap. Alright, pwede po yung init. Pwede po siya mainit. There's the shower. And of course, the bathtub. Pwede ka rin mag-shower dito. So maganda ito dito guys. Why? Because some bathtubs doesn't have this rubber, para ba to prevent you sliding on it. So maganda ito dito. I really appreciate it because last experience ko sa hotel ay wala talaga. So talagang may slide ka talaga. So ito dito guys maganda. Kasi meron talaga siyang rubber to prevent you on sliding. Maganda siya. And this is filled with towel. Of course, we used already the towels. Towel here, towels there, the big one and then the small one. Of course, this is the, ito po siyang ating bathroom. Siyempre guys, labas tayo. Kasi hihintayin natin yung ating partner. Thank you. Wow. In 5 minutes tour. Magandang mga rooms dito guys. Merong single, merong tinatawag na couple. I know they are lilinis na sila ng mga rooms. Okay, lobby and exit. Okay. Thank you very much. Guys, if you wanted to visit Davao City, don't forget to drop by or to stay in Microtel Hotel by Windham. And of course, sa baba, check nyo lang, ilalagay namin doon yung mga informations po para at meron yata silang website. Hihingi tayo mamaya din ipopost natin. So this is Gilbert Lopez Martí Cacho. Good morning, Davao.
If you find this segment informative, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest news and share this broadcast to your friends and family. Your support helps us keep you informed. Help us get our first 10,000 subscribers. Your engagement matters. Liking, sharing, and subscribing to our content not only helps more people discover the important stories we bring you, but also supports our team's hard work. It boosts our visibility in the algorithm, making it easier for others to find ways to stay informed. Thank you for being part of our community.